If you've worked in a large organization in, I don't know, the last 5 years or so, you've probably been through an agile transformation, or you've at least heard the phrase, "we need to be more agile," thrown around hundreds of meetings. And I'm guessing it probably failed to live up to expectations, or maybe it got ditched altogether. And that process might have left such a bitter taste that even the word agile might now be like a swear word in your company. Hi, I'm Spencer, and today I'm going to talk about the dreaded A word, agile. If the opening story sounded familiar, you're not alone. It's believed that over 50% of agile transformation processes fail. 50%. What a waste! And it's not just a waste because of the enormity of the wasted cash and time, but also because your business and your work lives could be so much better if it had worked. Now, whilst there are many reasons why specific agile transformations might have failed, there's one thing that is always a factor: the lack of understanding and alignment about what agile really is. So let's start there. Simply put, in business, there are two different definitions of agile. Agile with an uppercase A and agile with a lowercase a. But firstly, what are they both? Uppercase agile is an iterative approach to software development and project management with articulated principles, values, methods, roles, processes, and tools. Whereas the lowercase agile is an embedded trait or attribute characterized by resilience, speed, flexibility, adaptability, and durability. Uppercase agile is a verb. It describes a specific approach. It's something we do. It's a way for teams to work, and it can be implemented really quickly. Lowercase agile is more of an adjective. It describes a trait, something we are, something that's for everyone to improve, but it can take a really long time to develop within your organization. Finally, it's really important to know why you might use each of these agiles. Uppercase agile is used when you want to increase delivery speed and visibility, particularly with product and software teams, or if you want to build products in line with customer needs and to reduce risk. Lowercase agile is about adapting to the ever-changing world. It's about creating a competitive advantage with your staff and your culture. And finally, it's about minimizing the potential for disruption. So when you're next thinking about agile, first think about what you're looking to achieve. If it's about having a culture of adaptability, resilience, and durability, maybe you shouldn't try implementing agile methods and approaches, but instead focus on helping your people become adaptive and flexible. Now, if this is a video that you got some value out of it, please think about liking and subscribing to the YouTube channel or following on LinkedIn and Instagram, where I post most of these videos. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these kind of videos where I distill sometimes complex and sometimes misunderstood business approaches and terminology in order to be able to understand it better so that you can build businesses for the future. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.